Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install new DayZ Lingor map for DayZ for Armor 2. You need to have two links, I will post them in the description. And you need to download this one. And then you get one file is called Lingor Lite and one is called DayZ Lingor version. First install this one, then it's a Russian site, but just click on link, and when you have done that you open them, and first you open DayZ of Lingor Lite, you go to your Armor 2 folder and you copy this in this folder. So yeah, it takes a moment, it's like 500 MB, something like that. Sorry for the waiting. You open it, you go to add-ons, and you see ibr-plans.bbo, and you delete it. It's 114 MB, yeah. And when you have done that, you open the other file, the DayZ Lingor, and you copy these files to the Armor 2 Operation Arrowhead, so like this, it's easy. Then you go to Steam. No, sorry, you go to your Operation Arrowhead folder. Okay. And yeah, if you play DayZ, you have already installed the beta. You go to beta, copy this, copy it in this this folder, and make a shortcut of it. Then you go to Steam, Armor 2 Operation Arrowhead, right click, properties, set launch options, and I will post it in the description. You just you copy it here, or you paste it in here. Okay. It needs to load a bit. And then you are in the main menu, you go to expansions, and this one aren't activated, so you can click on those and click enable. You click OK, and it needs to restart the game. Then you go to multiplayer, address internet, filter is host, you don't put anything, and mission is Lingor, LINGOR, and we have 032, so like this one, and yeah, you can just join it. Click OK, and you have a new map for DayZ. I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, thank you very much for listening. Please subscribe, like and share.